Yeah, welcome to ShareTrack. This is Raj here, friends. I want to make this video for those of you who are very keen about CRISPR Therapeutics, and I know in our channel, most people are interested in CRISPR Therapeutics. It would be remiss of me not to put this video out. I'm seeing something concerning out here. Again, guys, remember, I'm a retail investor like yourself. What I'm saying is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. So please do your own due diligence before making any trades based on this video. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is a head and shoulder pattern. This is the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the next shoulder. And it's very close to triggering the head and shoulder pattern. The moment it crosses this support line, which is at 53.28, we are going to see a trigger of the head and shoulder. And this head and shoulder has a potential of going all the way down to 35.46. And along the way, it's going to get it's going to get support at 48.48. Then it's going to get support at 46.22. And then it's going to get some support at 38.77. So there is a lot of supports on the way. We'll plot them as we come closer to that. But I think we are looking at a bearish situation for CRISPR Therapeutics in line with the extended market. And you can see the momentum is now below average. RSI is also weak. MACD is bearish and signal is moving away from the signal line. And then you have market sentiment, which is turning very bearish right now. So I wanted to bring this all to you guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and if you want to make me to make a separate video on this. Put your questions in there. I'll answer all of them together, either in the video or in the pre-market session at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow morning. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.